in the heat after being in the Saskatchewan cold for so long. Yesterday was our first full day. I didn't vlog, but we walked around the Malecon during sunrise. That is their like main area. And then we walked all the way to the romantic zone. We got some breakfast, we got some green juice, all that. It was so nice to see the city before it was fully awake. After that, we went and picked my friend, or Taylor's brother, AJ, and his girlfriend from the airport. We played a pretty epic prank on them. If I have more time, I'll tell you guys about it later. It was hilarious. Anyways, just going to get freshened up. Taylor and I are gonna go to church, and then we're going to explore today. We just sat down at the beach for a mid-morning margarita, as one would in PV. We are going to... It's not 9 a.m. What time is it?
11:45.
Perfect. Okay, so mid-morning.
Oh, 11:45, we were missing a taxi.
Is it actually 11:45? Oh, okay. So we're gonna take a water taxi at 11:45 to Yelapa and go explore that island. Made it to Yelapa. It's so pretty here. It has just a quainter, smaller feel. It's really cute. We got little chairs in front of the water, and we're gonna get some, I guess Taylor and I haven't had breakfast, so breakfast slash lunch. Currently hiking to the waterfall. They told us to go up these stairs. This is so sketchy. Walking through the town right now. I'm assuming the waterfall is at the edge of whatever we're walking on. Everyone keeps saying that we are following the right trail. We found the waterfall. Almost. Okay, Taylor and I made it to the waterfall because she got us to hop on the back of some quad. And we're here. So beautiful. We made it. Is this not the cutest bar you've ever seen? Today was so fun. So we went to Yelapa. Definitely recommend going there. It's a nice day trip. It's like a chill beat to whatever is going on in PV. There wasn't a ton of people. Yeah, it was just nice and chill. We did a beachfront chair situation. We got some drinks and some food. And then we did the waterfall hike, which was honestly nothing like I've ever done before. Cool hike through the city. It was paved. It was definitely uphill and still a little bit of a workout, but it was cool. I've also never swam in a waterfall before, and you could swim in the base of the waterfall, so that was super fun. And there's a bar at the bottom of the waterfall, which was also really fun. After that, we went back down, and honestly, it was time to get our boat back, which we... Did we almost miss it? Almost missed it. Almost? 2 out of 4 of us almost missed it. We had to hold the captain up, but all good. We made it. We're here. Taylor and AJ ended up captaining the boat on the way back. That was quite a sight. And now we're back in the Malecon. We are at this place for Oceano. We're gonna grab a light snack. AJ wants to go to Captain Don's to watch football. Taylor Swift is playing, supposedly, so we're gonna do a light bite here and then make our way over there. Okay, also, I don't know if I'll actually pick it up in the vlog, but we've seen so many whales on the way home. I've never seen whales jump like this and blow. Did you guys just see that? So cool. Good morning vlog. We made it to Boca. Where are we? Boca de Tomatlan. Name does not stick with me, but it is beautiful here. I'll you guys around in a second. It's really cute here. Arguably, I think our first thoughts are we already like it more than Yelapa, but we'll see. We'll see how the day plays out. It's really pretty. Let me show you the view. So we're on a hike right now. Taylor is taking us on a hike. This is actually the same hike that you got proposed on, right?
Yeah.
So we're doing the hike right now. It's a little sketchy, but it's beautiful.
All the beaches we're gonna hit. And that's our final. Either bananas or plantain or something?
I don't know.
Crazy.
That's so cool. And now we are taking a water taxi back to the mainland. We just made it to dinner. Okay, so that's a view of the restaurant from the water side. It is so beautiful. Definitely come here. Good morning vlog. So we're actually doing a full tour with a guide today. It was pretty sweet. He picked us up and we just get to plan our day as we go. So we started off in San Pancho.
Yeah, it is.
There's like something hanging off the balcony.
Is it real?
No. We started off in this little town of San Pancho. It's super, super cute. It's definitely up and coming. People will compare it to Sayulita, but I've never actually been there. We are going there later, so it'll be interesting to compare the two. But it's very cute here. For breakfast at this really yummy restaurant, I got chilaquiles. I'll attach the name of the restaurant if you'll come here. Would definitely recommend it. We're just doing some laps around the town to see it. And then we're gonna move on to, I think we're gonna go to some hot springs first. Okay, we're just leaving San Pancho. How do we feel about it?
Love.
Super cute. Our driver just bought us jackfruit. Cheers. Wow, it's really good. We just got to the hot springs. Our tour guide pulled over. We passed a bunch of passion fruit farms and he got us 3 different, well, they're all the same passion fruit but different levels of ripeness, so we're gonna try them. It smells so good. Beautiful.
Whoa. Oh yeah, a lot of these will look a lot better through your cameras. Even your phone camera.
Yeah.
They'll look a lot better than with your own eyes.
Why do people put money there?
As an offering.
Okay.
It's actually not well seen.
So we are on another hike right now. We're going to another waterfall that you can swim in, but on the way there is a bunch of petroglyphics, so rocks with really old ancient carvings in them. And our guide is pointing them out and showing us. It's super, super cool. Oh, here's another one.
Male and female reproduction systems. He wasn't very clear, but I always thought it was the male. Because I see 2 bolas and then something hanging, so I thought that's males. But it's actually the opposite. That's the women's. Those are the ovaries and then the tubes.
Wow.
A uterus. When then I brought the archaeologist here, this lady, as soon as she saw those 2, she's like, these people dissected bodies. They were aware of the insides of the people.
Yeah.
And she was the one that explained to me that's women's and these are phallic symbols. She said, I don't see it, but that's what she said.
really.
Yeah. Lots of different names. Fertility god, maize man, maize as in corn, maize. Because of the hat, I guess.
And we have made
You
it
notice how
to
there's gardens
the
everywhere?
waterfall. We just got to Sayulita for a late lunch, middle of the road, late lunch, early dinner. This is one of the places that's been on my list, so I'm super excited to check it out and walk around. Okay, we just stopped in this super cute little shop in Sayulita. I've been looking for a pair of heels like this. I ended up going with these ones, but in like a minty green, kind of like my bracelet. They're so cute. Didn't really vlog today, but basically we had a nothing day. So essentially each one of us got to pick out one day that we got to plan, and today was AJ's day. And he wants to do nothing in the best way possible. So we walked the beach for like miles and miles, stopped at all the little beach bars. I got a massage on the beach. It was incredible. We went to this one art gallery that was also amazing. I loved it. And then we stumbled across this one bar that was owned by someone from Saskatchewan, and they had a bunch of Saskatchewan liquors there too, which was pretty crazy. But we are obviously by the water. Our nothing day is ending in the Malecon. Gonna watch the sunset, get something to eat. It's beautiful. Hello vlog, today is our last day. Taylor and I actually fly out this evening. I didn't vlog yesterday, we just had a chill day. We got manis, petties, played cards, hung out by the pool. It was really nice. And we went to this Argentinian steakhouse for dinner called La Vaca. It was 10 out of 10. Spending our last morning in Bucerias, checking it out, walking around. It's really cute here. There's like a good mix of luxury and that true Mexico feeling. And the beach is really beautiful. Lady's telling AJ to scoop it up and throw it out, otherwise it's gonna die. Do you see him? This one didn't make it. Oh my gosh, there is so many little turtles. I think he's dead as well. Oh, is he? Finished walking around Bucerias, we seen the little baby turtles. It was so cool. AJ shoveled it out to the water. Someone told him to do it. It died.
We'll cut that out. That'll be a cut.
Take two. Finished touring around Bucerias. Super
Turtle died.
Cute.
No dead turtle.
Bucerias was, I liked it. Did you guys like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it was cute. Fun to walk around, just like switch up scenery. I'm not sure if it's overly different than the other little towns we explored, but there's a lot of luxury condominiums here that are really beautiful, so I can definitely see how this place would be up and coming. We did a long beach walk after the city. We stopped and got one last marg before we hit the plane. That concludes the Mexico vlog. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next.